Today we are going to be talking about our plan for our holiday in 15 days.
Our honeymoon?
Our honeymoon in 15 days.
15 days.
Never have we been so unprepared for something in our entire lives.
Apart from when we went to Greece last year.
Cool. There's a pattern.
We seem to not be prepared for things. It's kind of just the way we appear to be. We're late for everything and we're not prepared for our holidays, which cost us a fortune.
Wicked! We do have a mini spreadsheet of what we're going to be doing, kind of, on our holiday. More the places we're going to be rather than what we're actually doing, because apparently there's no information.
Disneyland California is a tricky one to Google. When we went to Disney World in 2016, I did a whole, this is what we're doing every single day, this is our spreadsheet, I'll link it below if you happen to be interested. Obviously it may be a little bit out of date now because things have changed since, but I will link it down below because it has the spreadsheet format, which is very good. So I tried to copy the same format for this holiday. Just because we're going to so many different places. We're not just in California Disney, we're also going to Vegas and Sacramento, and so I thought I need to see everything written down, because when Virgin Holidays send me the email of like, here's this, here's this, here's this, I was like, where am I? When am I going to be in Disney? I can't figure this out. So I did it on a spreadsheet. It's very empty.
It's just got titles in,
I've got
really.
it here. Yeah, it's really not very good. And also the thing we're struggling with is because we're going at the beginning of November, it's the end of Halloween and it's the beginning of Christmas. And so we're in that middle period, so there's no Halloween, and I assume Christmas may have started.
Fingers crossed. At least we don't want to be in sort of like a desolate, no one knows what they're doing Disneyland week.
Because like, for example, A Small World is closed while they're getting it prepped for Christmas, which is kind of annoying, but we've seen Disneyland Paris, Small World at Christmas, and so it's probably the same thing.
Yeah.
But fireworks wise, there seems to be no fireworks. There's 3 days we're in Disneyland and they've got 2 shows on our last day we're there. The other 2 days there's nothing, and there's no parades either, so I'm like, what's going on? But either way, well, let's go into it. Just because this is going to be our whole trip, not just our Disney part of the trip. Just because if we did the Disney part of the trip, this video would be over by now. So yes. Let's go. So I've created a spreadsheet, as you can see, hella empty.
Hella empty.
And so yeah, so we fly on the 5th of November, which is one thing which is really annoying actually. We're flying on the 5th of November in the morning. We should have flown in the evening, because then you see the fireworks when you're in the plane. Because obviously you didn't know, if you're not from England, the 5th of November is like, it's fireworks night in England. And so you get to see fireworks.
Remember the 5th of November.
I say remember the 26th of September. My birthday.
Cool.
So yeah, so we're staying in a hotel overnight in the airport. We're going to Heathrow Airport. So we're staying overnight on the 4th, and then we fly on the 5th at 9 AM, 10 AM, an early-ish flight. And so we get to California. We get to LAX on the 5th of November. In the afternoon sometime. Yeah, and then we're just gonna faff about. We have a transfer to our hotel, which is the Sheraton Park Hotel, which is not a Disneyland hotel, but it's a Disneyland affiliated hotel.
Apparently you can see the parks from it, so
yes, fingers crossed we have a park view room. Fingers crossed. Yeah.
Still.
And then we have a 3-day ticket, which is the maximum you can have, fun fact. From the 6th to the 8th of November, we will be in Disneyland. And that's all the information I have about that.
How bad's that? But yes, we have been looking online for other people's vlogs and information about the parks, but there just seems to be so little. In
comparison to Disney World, it's shockingly limited. You look on like 10 things to do in Disneyland, it's like, see a show.
Yeah. Eat some food.
Eat food.
Remember to breathe.
See the castle. You're like, cool. Go on a ride. It's like, done. What else should I do that's a bit unusual? So yes, yeah. I mean, in regards to eating, we're not that fussed because they don't do dining plans. So we're not super fussed about where we eat.
About eating.
Yeah.
Which is the whole time we're there, we're just not going to eat.
I was thinking about booking a restaurant reservation, the Blue Bayou, which is the Pirates of the Caribbean restaurant, but then I can't see any vegan options, and it looks expensive, and I thought, bah, I'm not that fast, you know.
I feel like this trip is going to be we're going a bit blindfolded, so I think we'll make it as good as it can be.
Yeah.
So, and we'll be the guinea pigs for everyone else that's going to California soon. You can watch our vlogs and go, let's not do that. So.
I've been watching some people's vlogs, Adam Hatton and Ellie Sedman and a few other various people online, and yeah, it doesn't seem like there's much. It's not as extensive as Walt Disney World, basically. That's why there's not so much about it, but whatever. And then again, like I said, there's no parades or fireworks listed on the website yet, so hopefully that happens, because otherwise that would be really depressing.
So sad.
It does say on the Thursday the 8th of November, it does have Believe, the fireworks show, in Disneyland Park and Fantasmic. In the Disneyland Park thing, I think it's in the Disneyland one, not the California, whatever AP means.
What does that?
Adventure, California Adventure Park.
Okay.
Got it.
We were calling it CAP, and I had no idea what CAP meant.
I knew what it was.
I did not.
Just did. And so yeah, that's on the Friday the 9th of November. We haven't got a ticket, but we are in Anaheim, so we could
go pick some oranges. No?
We could buy a 1-day ticket, but we don't know what we're going to do. The world is our oyster.
We'll probably buy a 1-day ticket.
We do really want to do the Walk in Walt's Footsteps tour, which is in Disneyland. It's about 3 hours long, which is not going to eat into too much of our time there. So we shall look at booking that. Maybe I'll look at booking that this afternoon, because by knowing our luck, we'll get there and be like, sold out!
All booked.
You've come at the busiest time of year. We'll be like, really?
I'll be like, super duper.
So yes, that's our Disney part of the trip. Obviously we are vlogging everything, and then this is where we start to fly around all of America, because we decided to fly a lot, and I don't like flying. What was I thinking? And so we leave on Saturday the 10th of November. We fly from LAX to
Las Vegas.
Vegas, baby. So we go to Las Vegas, and we're staying in the Tropicana Hotel, which is not on the Strip.
Apparently drinks are free though.
Club Tropicana, drinks are free.
I'm so glad you got that.
I'm going to be singing that every time I have to type this in. When I was doing the spreadsheet, I was like, singing wow.
Wow.
It's not on the Strip because it means you save money, because apparently when you stay in a hotel on the Strip you've got to pay money. I don't know. It's just around the corner though. And then we don't know what we're doing in Vegas because we just wander. We would like to do the zip line.
We want to do the zip line, and we were toying with the idea of hiring a car
to go to the Grand Canyon.
But we don't think we are.
We're a bit nervous about the idea of it. Neither of us have driven in England for about 6 years, so
we don't want to risk it. So we're now maybe getting a helicopter.
We're thinking about either getting a helicopter or a coach ride. There's very different prices in both of those things. Yeah. We need to figure it out, because the distance in driving is about 4 to 5 hours, and I don't know if I want to be in any sort of transport for that long.
No.
But then obviously a helicopter would be quicker than that. We don't know. We need to figure it out.
We'll let you know when we know.
If you've been to Vegas and you've driven or have gone to the Grand Canyon from Vegas, please let us know how you did it. Was it a boring drive? Did you go by coach? Was it a bad idea? Because we've done coaches before when we went to Crete, and it sucked so much because you're just on someone else's time, and it's so rubbish.
Yeah.
So let us know what you did. Please do let us know if you have done that, because we need help.
We need help.
TripAdvisor is not that helpful because it's all dated 2014. But yeah, so we want to do the zip line down the Strip. That's the only thing we know we definitely want to do. And I've been given some hotels we have to go look at. So we will do that. And we're there from the 11th, well, Saturday the 10th of November is when we arrive, and we leave on the 15th of November, but at the crack of dawn.
Crack of dawn. And just remember now, Lely from Will and Lely told me that there is a Disney Outlets.
Is there?
In Las Vegas.
And then, what are you doing next? Are you going somewhere else now? Yes, we are. This part of the day doesn't please me. We fly from Las Vegas back to LAX. Do we stop? No,
we don't.
We go straight from LAX on another plane to Sacramento. Whoop whoop. Why? Because that was the only option we could do. My friend's getting married in Sacramento, so happy to go there. It's just such a faff way to get there. I don't know why we planned it this way, but we have done, and such is life.
I mean, we planned it to an extent. We did sit down with someone from Virgin who was planning it.
Yeah.
Almost. So we came away, and it's so much has happened that we've kind of parked this, and it's come 15 days till we fly, and we've looked back at this and said, why are we doing Disney first?
Yeah, we should have done Disney in the middle. Oh well. Whatever. Whew. So we go to Sacramento, and we're staying in an Airbnb in Sacramento, and my friend is getting married on one of the days, Friday or Saturday. I just need to double check that. I think it's a Friday. Need to double check that bit. So yeah, then we're hanging around Sacramento. If you've ever been to Sacramento as well, please let us know what there is to do there, because I've looked, and I know it's obviously the capital of California, but there doesn't look like as much to do as there would be, say, if you were coming to London. So yeah.
But that is our limited knowledge. Like you said, if there are people that have been to Sacramento or live in Sacramento and know of things to do that will entertain unorganised people.
We're there for 4-ish days, 3.5 days. So yeah, let us know. Obviously one of them are a wedding anyway, but yeah, I mean, I've looked, there's a few museums and there is a water park, but the water park has shocking reviews on
really?
TripAdvisor, yeah. So I'm like, maybe not. Also, it's November, it might be freezing cold. But yeah, so that is something that we are going to be there. I've written down a lot of vegan restaurants though, so that will be exciting.
We can just eat our way through Sacramento.
Yeah. And then, do we fly home from Sacramento?
No, we don't!
We fly from Sacramento back to LAX, and then LAX back to London.
LAX, where we pick up all of our bags that we've left.
Yes, we're not taking everything with us the whole
from
time.
Disney. We're going to find a sort of storage place, put our bags from Disney there, fly to Las Vegas and blah blah blah, and then back, and we'll pick it up from LAX.
Yes. So that is our trip. It's 15 days long. So just as a quick rundown: 5th of November, California; 10th of November, Vegas; 15th of November, Sacramento. That's our trip.
And please, in the comments, leave below for all 3 of those places your top things to do.
Yeah, if you know anything about it, please just let us know as much as you do know, because we know.
And we've got 15 days left, and we're panicking now.
Slightly, yes. That's what I'll be doing at work for the next 3 weeks.
Yeah,
2 weeks. Karen, done this work?
No.
I'm Googling.
I'm Googling Disney rides, thanks. That is it, really.
Quite a basic video, not much to show, but we are going on holiday in a couple of weeks.
We're so unprepared.
There will be more videos coming up about this when we have done a bit of panic Googling.
Yeah.
About what we want to do, what we look forward to and all that jazz.
There are different rides, obviously, than Disney World, so we're going to take some time this next couple of days and figure out what rides we're looking forward to, what other tours there are to do in Disneyland, and obviously Las Vegas, see what other things there are to do out there, and yeah, Sacramento. Anyway, help us. So that's that. We will have like I say, a few more videos coming up before we go away, and then that's it. Then we'll see you then with our vlogs when we get back. Whoop, 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 whoop. Thank you for watching. Please comment. Help us. Help us. Like and subscribe if you're not already. Bye. Bye.